Understanding Emergency Alerts, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrases, emergency alerts. This is a crucial topic, as understanding these alerts can be vital in critical situations. So, let's dive in and learn about it together. Emergency alerts are messages or signals designed to inform the public about imminent or ongoing emergencies. These emergencies could be natural disasters like earthquakes, floods, or hurricanes, or human-made events such as chemical spills or terror attacks. The purpose of these alerts is to provide essential information quickly and to instruct people on how to stay safe. Emergency alerts are often delivered through various channels to ensure they reach as many people as possible. These channels include broadcasts on TV and radio. Traditional yet effective, these mediums relay alerts instantly. Mobile phone notifications. Modern smartphones can receive urgent alerts. Public address systems, used especially in local areas like schools, malls, or public transport. Online and social media platforms, increasingly popular for real-time information dissemination. Let's look at some common emergency alert messages and what they mean. 1. Severe weather warning indicates extreme weather conditions like storms or blizzards. 2. Amber Alert, used in the U.S. to report a missing child. 3. Evacuation Order, instructs people to leave an area for their safety. Understanding these messages can be crucial in responding appropriately to a situation. When you receive an emergency alert, it's important to stay calm and focused. Panic can lead to poor decision-making. Follow instructions. Alerts often contain specific safety advice. Stay informed. Keep monitoring reliable sources for updates. That's all for our discussion on emergency alerts. We hope this video has been informative and helps you understand and respond to such alerts better. Remember, staying informed and calm can make a significant difference in emergencies. See you in our next video, and stay safe.